Hello, everybody. A warm good morning to you all. I welcome you all in St. Xavier School online classes. This class is of mathematics and lecture first. In the starting of each and every class, I just talk about the numbers and their system. So, we will study about number system before starting chapters of your class. Now, first of all, we will talk about digits. So, what are digits? So, symbols of number means numbers को जिन symbols से अपन denote करते हैं वो digits हैं and number of digits are 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 digits. 0 is known as insignificant digit. It means 0 doesn't have its value. Means if I am writing a number like 01, so in this there is no value of 0. But if 0 is coming between any two significant digit, 1 to 9 are known as significant digit, and if 0 is coming between these significant digit, then in that condition 0 will also be a significant digit. Like if I am writing 205, in this condition 0 is a significant digit. Now next is numeral, means numbers. In this a group of digit is known numeral. For example, 350, I have written this in digits. Now representing a number in figure is known as notation. We called it as notation. And if I am writing this number 350 in words like 350, then representing a number in words known as numeration. It is about digits and numerals. Now face value of digits. So the oven value of digit is known as its face value. I have written a number 6827. Now there are four separate digits 6, so face value of 6 will be 6. Then after 8, then face value of 8 will be 8 simply, and 2 face value of 2 will be 2. Then after 7, so face value of 7 will be 7. Next is place value of a digit, or we can say local value of a digit. So same number I have written 6827. So in this place value of 7, 7 is at the place of one's digit. 7 one's place pe, then its place value, how we will find out? 7 multiply 1, or we can write 7 only directly. Next is 2. 2 is at 10's place, so to find out its place value we will multiply it by 10, then its place value will be 20. Next is 8. 8 is at 100's place, so if we have to find out place value of 8 in this number, then we will simply multiply this digit 8 by 100 and we will get its place value. And the last one is 6 and 6 is at thousands place. So to find out the place value of 6, we will simply multiply our digit 6 by 1000 and its place value will be 6000. Next is number. So there are two types of numbers. First one is imaginary number and second one is real number. Imaginary numbers means numbers which are not in real. For example, in previous classes might be I have told you that if we are getting any number with a negative sign in square root, suppose square root में -2 आए, then this number will be imaginary number. And real numbers means all numbers which we used to speak, we used to write. जितने भी numbers हैं सारे real numbers हैं. Now types of real numbers. रियल नंबर्स के टू टाइप्स होते हैं, रेशनल नंबर एंड इरेशनल नंबर. रियल नंबर के टू टाइप्स हैं, रेशनल नंबर एंड इरेशनल नंबर. नाउ रेशनल नंबर में कौन कौन से नंबर इंक्लूड होते हैं? नेचुरल नंबर्स, होल नंबर, इंटीजर नंबर, ये नंबर्स इंक्लूड होते हैं. नाउ यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट द even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, co-prime numbers. So these are not the types of numbers. ये numbers के types नहीं है. These are just a part of natural number. So we include these numbers in natural numbers. And I will explain you definition also of rational and irrational number. So let's start from real number. So real number is means you can see by this chart, real number is a combination of rational numbers and irrational number. तो रियल नंबर में रेशनल नंबर भी इंक्लूड होते हैं और इरेशनल नंबर भी इंक्लूड होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट रेशनल नंबर्स. और फर्स्ट इज नेचुरल नंबर. Before that, imaginary number, I have told you that if the square of a number is always negative, then number is known as imaginary number. Means कोई भी नंबर हो उसका स्क्वायर नेगेटिव हो तो नंबर होगा इमेजिनरी नंबर. Now suppose that here one example also I have written. In square root -3 we have, and if we are just doing its square and we are getting -3, how this -3 came? Understand it carefully. स्क्वायर रूट में कोई भी नंबर हो, स्क्वायर रूट में कोई भी नंबर हो, सपोज दैट स्क्वायर रूट 2, सपोज दैट स्क्वायर रूट -5, तो जब उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे, स्क्वायर रूट वाले नंबर का स्क्वायर करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द सेम नंबर विदाउट स्क्वायर रूट. तो स्क्वायर रूट वाले नंबर का स्क्वायर करने पे सेम नंबर आएगा बिना स्क्वायर रूट के. जैसे 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट रिमूव हो जाएगा, 2 आएगा, ओनली 2 वी विल गेट. एंड स्क्वायर रूट -5 है, इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये स्क्वायर रूट रिमूव हो जाएगा और अपने को मिलेगा क्या? -5. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से कि कोई भी नंबर नेगेटिव साइन के साथ में स्क्वायर रूट में आए, देन दैट नंबर विल बी इमेजिनरी नंबर. And I have told you that there is no value of a number with negative sign in square root. That chapter belongs to 11th standard and name of chapter is complex number. So you will study more about imaginary numbers in 11th class. if you are going to choose maths in 11th standard. Now let's talk about natural numbers. Natural numbers, everybody know all counting numbers are natural numbers starting from, and in other words we can say that numbers which start from 1 are natural numbers. We denote it by n. Next is whole numbers. So all counting numbers means these are counting numbers which start from 1, and if we will include 0 in these counting numbers, then we will get a group of whole numbers. Or in other words we can say that numbers which start from 0 are known as whole numbers, and we denote these by w. Next is integer numbers. So all counting numbers means 1 to infinite, and negative of counting numbers means -1 to minus infinite, and 0. These all are known as integer numbers in combined form. So we denote these numbers by this curly bracket. In this we have written here minus infinite, then we will get -3, -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, and here we will have plus infinite. Or we can understand integer numbers by a number line also, by drawing this. Here in between we have 0, in this side positive numbers, in this side negative numbers. So we can make another definition also of integer numbers, that all positive, in this side we have all positive numbers, and in this side we have all negative numbers. So all positive and negative numbers including this 0 are known as integer numbers. So you can write this definition also. We denote integer numbers by I and z also. Next is even number. This is not a part of numbers, but we study about this number with natural number. So even number means all counting numbers divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Now in another words we can say that if ones place digit in a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Actually one pen is required to write on the screen. Until now I do not have. Soon within 1 2 days I will do some arrangements for that, so that I will be able to write in a proper way on this display. So till that just adjust this thing. So if at the ones place digit we have 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, then that number will be even number. And for odd number, a counting number don't divisible by 2. If a number is not divisible by 2, then that number will be odd number. And in other words we can say that if at the ones place digit we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If at the ones place digit we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, then that number will be odd number. Next is about prime numbers. A counting number have only two factors, 1 and itself. Means if a number has only two factors, 1 and itself, then that number will be prime number. In another words I have told you that if a number is divisible by one and itself only, then that number will also be a prime number. So two definitions I have told you, any one you can write in your homework notebook. One more thing, just start doing your work by making a proper homework notebook. And I believe that in this new session, schools are going to be reopened very soon. So just start working your homework, and whenever you will be come back in school campus, I will firstly check your work, and then I will not teach and I will not tell these things again. So just start your study in a proper way. Now all prime numbers less than 100 are means some prime numbers, you will just write counting from 1 to 100 and you will mark a circle on the prime numbers. Now for some examples, I am writing 2. So 2 is divisible by 1 and itself means 2. 2 1 से भी divide होता है और 2 से divide होता है. So this is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 1 से और 3 से divide होता है. 4 4 1 से भी divide होता है, 4 से भी divide होता है. अब अपने को चेक करना है क्या कोई ऐसा नंबर भी है जिससे 4 divide होता हो 1 और 4 के अलावा. So yes, we have 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. 4 1 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, 4 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है. इनके अलावा यदि किसी नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है मीन्स 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो ये एक प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. So by this way you have to check out about prime numbers between 1 to 100. Now some important fact regarding prime numbers, that 2 is only even numbers which is a prime number. If anybody asks from you that ऐसा prime number बताओ जो even number हो, so there is 2 only. And one more thing, 2 is the smallest prime number. जो 2 है वो सबसे छोटा prime number है. And all prime numbers less than 100, then no need to remember these things. These are the factual things. So whatever I told you today, I taught you, just revise these things. These are the basic things you are studying in each and every class. Now learn these all the things. Now we will discuss rest of the things in our next class. Till that, stay home and stay safe. Just motivate your parents, and if anybody else lives nearby you, any family, then make them understand about the importance of mask and vaccine also. Just guide them that this is the necessary thing. Thank you very much.